These architectural drawings are all messed up, man. I don't understand how to build this.
I don't even know where to start. These dimensions don't seem to add up.
No, they don't. Let's get John over here. John, come on over.
No. You guys open the crate. You got shop drawings done.
What's in that?
Just open it up.
All right.
All right.
Anybody order an ISS rep?
What's an ISS rep?
Did you remember to order your Armstrong installation specialist? ISS reps can come to your project to help you navigate the complexities of today's installations. ISS reps can provide you with customized shop drawings and project-specific training covering Armstrong's wide range of custom and standard ceiling options. When bidding or before the installation of your next big project, visit armstrongceilings.com/expertise to find your regional installation specialist. If you build it, they will come.